Hi, Brian Bachland with MarineMax Clearwater, today with a quick video walkthrough on the 2019 Sea Ray 21 SPX Outboard. This boat has the dune interior, black hull sides, and white hull bottom. As you can see, it does have the bimini top for plenty of shade for a day on the water. Moving around to the stern, we'll see it's powered by a 150 horse Mercury 4-stroke outboard. Plenty of power if you have it loaded up with people or want to tow a few people in the water. So let's step aboard and take a look. On the stern we do have the water sports tow post, 12-volt charger, very spacious sun pad. Actually backrest that flips up. If you're at the sandbar, you're able to hang out, have a little backrest and very comfortable area for seating. Very spacious cockpit. As you can see, we have an angled entry which offers very nice access to the cockpit without sacrificing seating space. We do have a removable igloo cooler to the starboard side. Storage to the port side, twin captain's chairs for the helm and passenger seat. Very nice stern seating area, cup holders for all seats, and very nice curved bolster to make it comfortable for anywhere you sit. Do have a very large cooler integrated back here as well. Fusion speakers and stereo, all marine grade, Bluetooth for easy compatibility with all devices. Does have a depth gauge. Storage under the passenger side helm and glove box up top. And moving forward, we'll see a very spacious bow seating area with additional speakers and handrest. If you'd like more information about this boat or any others, feel free to give me a call. This is Brian Bachland at MarineMax Clearwater. I can be reached at 813-503-2649, so give me a call, come on down, see this boat or any other of our in-stock inventory options in person, or set up a demo and get on the water. Thanks, have a great day.